Right, I'm at Brookle, one of my club lakes. Bit rainy, bit muggy, but see if we can get one or two off the surface. It's looking good. I've got them feeding on some koi pellets and some dog biscuits. Hopefully, try and catch one. Right, so the setup I'm using is a ProLogic Com 9 foot 2.5 pound test curve fishing rod or stalker rod with a EF 4000 size reel. So with the rod and reel I'm using a 15 gram Nash bolt machine with 10 pound zig flow down to in size 8 quarter mixer hook. I'm fishing with some koi food pellets and some dog biscuits. Alright guys, I've got one in the net, just a small common. Yeah, let's get some pictures. Alright, fishing to the margins on a Nash bolt machine with a bit of bread on. Resulted in a nice 5-6 pound common. Not bad for the first fish of the day. Get back. Right, got another one. Tight some margins on the Nash bolt machine again. Nice common again. Probably the biggest one of the day so far. But it seems to be quite finicky, but we're getting there. Nice fish. Fishing out in the middle of the lake with a piece of bread on. Resulted in this kiting off with it. Lovely, feisty little little fish, but a nice one. Get back. Here are some other fish I caught that day.